Hello YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna keep it raw. I want to show you cleaning of the Yeezy 350 V2. I have this video on my channel that got more than 50,000 views and more than 1,000 likes about cleaning your Yeezy 350. So today I'm gonna make a video about cleaning that Yeezy 350. Let's go and have a look at which video I'm talking about, guys. Is this one. This one got more views than ever. So guys, let's go, let's do it, let's get the shoes. So first of all, guys, let's go get the shoes. And here they are, guys. I got them long time ago, guys. And as you can see, they are very dirty. I haven't cleaned them in a long time, guys. Here, guys, little sneak peek. You can see like some Adidas coming on the channel very soon, guys. That's where I put the shoes before I get filming. And then, guys, some more Nikes coming up to the channel, guys, for the video. In the meantime, guys, let's go back to the cleaning, guys. Here is the Yeezy 350 V2 bond that I got more than 2 years ago, guys. As you can see, well, they are very dirty, guys. That's the way they are. And here is the washing machine. We're gonna clean them. So before that, guys, I forgot to take some bags. I got some here. Up. Yeah, guys, I got more shoes. That's my personal shoes, guys. Let's go back to those babies. We're gonna put them and clean them, guys. So let's put them in a bag and then we're gonna put them in the washing machine. All right, guys, let's put those babies into those protective bags. It's important that you put those type of bags, guys, to protect your shoe, because you know, washing machine, they can actually destroy your sneaker and you don't want that to happen, so you got to protect them. I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can find them on Amazon, guys. They're not expensive, they are very cheap and good quality. So guys, let's put them inside. And up, that's number one. Let's squeeze it a little bit. Up. So this can protect actually your shoe. And let's put the second one into the second bag. Guys, I hope you like those type of videos, guys. Please, if you like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is live, this is on direct, this is raw. This is for you. This is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but we can do it, guys. That's the way we do it. Okay, so guys, we got them in the bags. So time to put them in the washing machine. So guys, back again, we got them in the bag, ready to go to the washing machine. I've got the washing machine in my lowest setting, guys. So you see here, so I don't know what you have at home, so I put on the lowest setting, guys, which is for me cold. Yeah, that's the way. I don't want the shoe to be, you know, if you have, you know, some machines have like for sneakers, setting for sneakers, use that setting. Me, I will use the cold setting, guys, lowest one possible. And let's go, let's put them in. Up and up. So I'm using regular washing up liquid. Okay, so let's put them in. Just enough, guys, to wash the shoe. No need to go crazy. That's it, just a little bit, enough to wash it up. And then let's do it. Let's press start. And then, guys, I see you in 47 minutes. Let's see the result. Okay, ciao. Okay, guys, 47 minutes have passed. Cycle is over. Let's open up. Let's take them out one by one. Let's take them out, up and up, and then let's take them outside so they can dry. Already, guys, you can see less dirt. Let's give them a good couple of hours. It's a beautiful sunny day now in London, so let's see in a couple of hours. Okay, guys, let's have a look. They seems pretty dry. Let's take them to the studio. Alright, guys, here you have them. Those are the V2 bone, just been washed. It's been a good time. They dry up, and here are they look like after being in the washing machine. Tell me, guys, in the comment, what do you think? For me, they look pretty good, pretty decent, no damage. They look clean. The dirt is out. You can definitely, guys, remove the laces before putting them in the washing machine. You're gonna have better result. You can as well remove the part here. Take it out. You're gonna have better results. So what do you think? For me, they look okay. Let's see. You see here it's not very clean. There are still some parts dirty. Here. This as well, before, guys, to put them in the washing machine, you can brush that part to remove most of the dirt before to put it in the washing machine. Guys, here it is. For me, they are pretty clean. They are good to go. However, I've got something to compare them to, guys. As you know, Adidas always send me some Yeezys, and I have, guys, for you a brand new Yeezy 350 V2 Bone, so we can compare them with the one that I have since more than 2 years, guys. Let's take them out. Those are brand new, guys. Let's get rid of the box. As you can see, guys, those are brand new. And let's compare them to the one that I have since more than 2 years. Some differences. You can see that the aging, the outsole is yellow, guys. But a part of that, you know, all the plastic bits, you know, this for example is made out of plastic, this is made out of plastic. With the sun, with the UV light, they got yellow with the time. But a part of that, guys, look, side by side, the rest is the same color. Laces are same colors. The fabric is the same color, just the outsole, guys. You can see with the time they got yellow. A part of that, guys, pretty good result on my cleaning, I would say. And this is because the model is white, guys. Maybe on other model, black for example, you're not gonna have, on the beluga you're not gonna have those issues of the yellowing. A part of that, let's put them very close. It's the same color, guys. So guys, let me know what do you think. Let's take this one. Again, it's just the plastic bits here that got yellow with the time. A part of that, those are the exact same colors. So I would say pretty good job. Here you have them, guys. That's 2 years, more than 2 years. And that's brand new, guys. 2 years, brand new. Let's take out this. It's just the yellowing, guys. A part of that, I would say pretty much the same. Here you have it, guys. Comparison between 2 years old, washed in the washing machine for 2 years, guys. Almost every 2 weeks I put them in the washing machine. And brand new one. A part of the yellowing, for me, pretty much the same. Let me know in comment below what you think. I hope you like this video, guys. It's a bit raw. I try to change a little bit, give you different perspective. I do it in live and direct for you. So let me know if you like this video, if you would like more content like this. So guys, here it is. Let's go to see the front. Really, it's just that's the difference between the yellowing, guys. A part of that is very similar. Here you have it. Thank you for watching, and I see you on my next video. Peace.